Iran unveiled a next-generation short-range ballistic missile and vowed to further boost its capabilities. The Fateh Mobin is a new generation of short-range ballistic missile system that could strike targets on land as well as sea. Iran says nothing can stop this missile because of its high degree of flexibility, adding that the new version was 100% domestically made. According to sources, the weapon system is agile, stealth, tactical and precision-guided. Iran has unveiled a new generation of precision-guided missiles capable of striking ground and seaborne targets in surgical operations at a time of rising tensions with the United States.